I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes without flour. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe bananas and 2 large eggs to form the base of these simple, delicious pancakes. This method offers a fantastic gluten-free alternative to traditional recipes, perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast. It's surprisingly easy to prepare, even for beginners, and delivers a wonderfully satisfying result every time. Beyond bananas and eggs, consider adding a few other items. A pinch of cinnamon or a dash of vanilla extract can enhance the flavor significantly. For a touch of sweetness, a tablespoon of maple syrup or honey works well, though ripe bananas often provide enough. You can also incorporate 1/4 cup of rolled oats for a heartier texture, blending them finely if preferred. To prepare your batter, first mash the ripe bananas in a bowl until they are very smooth, with no large lumps remaining. Next, whisk the 2 large eggs in a separate bowl until slightly frothy, then gently fold them into the mashed bananas. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium heat, adding a small amount of oil or butter. Pour about 2 tablespoons of batter per pancake, cooking for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. These flourless pancakes are incredibly versatile. Try adding 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips to the batter for a delightful sweet twist, or a pinch of nutmeg for a warm, spiced flavor. Serve them with fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or a dollop of yogurt for a complete meal. They're a fantastic way to enjoy a wholesome breakfast without any flour. Remember to check the description below for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.